Alright guys, welcome back to how to make money online from your phone. Just last month, I was able to make over $1,600 with this exact same model called UGC. What UGC is user-generated content. You're making videos for brands to use as their own ads or for you to post across TikTok and Instagram. This is a $5 billion industry right now, and it has grown in $3 billion just from 2024 alone. That to say, this industry is only getting larger and larger, and with so many startup apps coming from Claude and Lovable and all those AI websites, there's more opportunities than ever and anybody can break into this. All you need is one simple UGC example video. If you guys don't know what that is, go watch my last video linked up here. In that video, I tell you exactly what a UGC example video is and how to make a UGC video. This video specifically is going to be assuming you guys already know the basics of inbounds with UGC and how to make a video because you probably should have watched that last video. But yeah, without further ado, no more gatekeeping. I'm just going to get straight into it about how to get inbound deals from your phone for UGC work. Again, these brands will pay anywhere from $200 all the way up to $10,000 in monthly retainers just by using your phone and making videos for them. Now, the way to get inbound leads is simple. You're going to go on your phone and download an app called SideShift. Again, this is not sponsored. SideShift is just a huge and very great app for getting started. I'm gonna have a screen recording up somewhere, but as you can see, this is me loading into SideShift on my phone. You can see I've earned $2,000 on SideShift already. And if I go to my profile, this is all that it is. It literally just has some socials that I've used in the past, my past experiences with other brands. This Apple was a separate app that didn't actually work. And these are some featured posts that actually did well that weren't even UGC work. Two of these are literally TikTok shop videos that just happen to get over 1 million views. The honest truth of this is that brands don't care about what your videos are about. Brands just want to know if you can get eyes on their products. And me showing them 1 million views on videos means I know how to get eyes on products and brands will reach out to me. For my posts, you're going to see videos that have done 50K for brands and 10K for brands and everything that I've posted in between. So how does SideShift actually work? I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough. You want to go down to the magnifying glass and literally click on that. From here, you're going to see a bunch of brands asking for influencers to see if you are the right fit. So if we find this one, Churchman right here, which is $10,000 a post, this is very obviously not real. So let's find an actual one that makes sense, like UGC Nest here. So if we find an app that actually talks about this, like early here, if we click on this, they tell you exactly what you'll do. You will record yourself and your partner waking up at the alarm. And more details, it's going to tell you about the pay and what they actually are offering. So for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube accounts, they're going to pay you $300 for 30 videos posted on IG, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. That is about $10 a video. I'll be honest, when starting out, this is just fine, but once you kind of get started and have a foot ground in UGC, I would not do anything lower than $20 a video. It also tells you that they have milestone bonus pay, so if you get 50,000 views, they'll give you $50, 100,000 views is $100, and it only goes up from there. They say earn up to $1,000 per 90 posts. That is just so people get interested. Chances are when you make UGC videos, only a select few people get lucky and actually get thousands of views on a video. Chances are you'll probably be in the 300 to 1,000 view range, but companies love that just the same because they are paying you to get eyes on the product. If you get 700 views, that is 700 people who are looking at a product alone. But once you have this company that you really like, all you would do is hit apply now, and then you wait for this message to show up, application sent, hit done, and then just like that, they have sent your application in. What this application is literally just going to be your profile, and it's going to tell them your metrics, and it's also going to tell them your past experiences. I think you have 10 campaign applications a day, so you can scroll through and find whatever you like and kind of just go off of that. From there, the app will reach out to you and you will see them in your messages here. If I scroll down, you guys can see I've talked to a lot of people about a lot of different apps. I'll be honest, you don't have to answer to everyone. Sometimes people kind of just ghost you as well. But from there, with SideShift, you're going to apply to one of those campaigns, hopefully get in one, and work closely with those people. The key to being successful on SideShift is being successful in one campaign. UGC is hard to get a monthly retainer in, especially off of SideShift, unless your videos do very well. If your videos do average and only get a couple hundred video views per post, chances are they'll probably drop you or quit the campaign entirely because it's not profitable for them. But from there, you now have past experience in UGC and you can use that for leverage as other brands as you move forward in this. The best thing to do once you get into a campaign from SideShift, on your TikTok, YouTube Short, Facebook, Instagram Reels, whatever account it may be, add in your bio a place that says partnerships, UGC, email, inquiries, anything like that, and then put your email there. What that does, brands will see you promoting other apps and they will reach out to you themselves, already thinking in their mind, this guy already does UGC work, maybe we can get him for ours as well. There's absolutely no reason you can't work with multiple campaigns at once. The reason I was able to make over $1,600 last month is because I worked with 4 different companies at the time. So guys, that is all for this video. Please subscribe if this did help you. The next video is kind of going to go into depth about how to make a good UGC video and how to actually stand out to companies. So subscribe if you guys do want to see that. Also, comment any questions you guys do have down below. I'd love to answer these in the best way I can. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.